we're already making in India. So just to give you a little bit of a background, in 2017 we launched our brand. It was 100% import. We did try, getting products made in India, but it has been a struggling journey in those earlier years. As we stand today, as we talk today, we are more than 70% made in India, whether it's our luggage, our backpacks, accessories. Most of it is now procured from India. And we have a great ecosystem of manufacturers, captive units who we work with, who supply exclusively to us. And that Make in India story is very real. And to be honest, it's working out better than imports in supply chain, in working capital requirements. So Make in India has worked for us. We believe that in the next 2 to 3 years, we are going to be around 90 to 95% Make in India. And as we move forward, you never know. Looks like 100% is also an achievable target. So Make in India.